I wanted to give the Hero 7 another chance. I used wide view last time and it didn't work out well. I was told superview is a better option, so I got back on the bike and went to my local trail. It was still wet, so I had to take it easy, but it was rideable for the first time in a month or so. I was very careful not to make ruts. If it was too wet in spots, I just got off and walked the bike. I did not record with the Rylo on this ride. It was just too time consuming to swap cameras and ride the same spot twice. I did go back into my archives and pull old footage of me riding those spots with the Rylo for comparison. It's not a big one. Wow, that's slippery. Pretty safe to say the Rylo beats the Hero 7 on stabilization, but I thought the Hero 7 did a pretty good job. The question now will be, should I stick with the Rylo or the Hero 7? I'm including a couple minutes of extra footage from this ride. It was slick, so I didn't go too fast, but you can get a feel for how the Hero 7 performs on the trail. So I haven't been able to ride these trails for about a month and a half. It's been raining way too much. Things are still pretty soggy now, but I'm not making ruts or damaging the trail, so I figured I'd come out and give this camera another try. Hopefully me talking a little bit will be a good demo of how it sounds. Maybe I can compare it to the Rylo. Now I have no windproofing on this camera yet. Phew, man, it's wet. that's slippery. Nice. I'm sure a little stick is good for the brakes. Whew. I was gonna call it, but this area seems to be really dry. So maybe I can get a little speed. Without worrying about slipping out. Whoa, that washed out. It's just a big hole.